Welcome to today's journey into the heart of South America, the Amazon rainforest and the mighty Amazon River. This is not just a forest, it is the largest tropical rainforest on earth. This is not just a river, it is the lifeline of millions of species and people. For the next few minutes, let us explore the geography, biodiversity, cultures, climate, importance, threats, and fascinating stories of the Amazon. Geography and origins. The Amazon River begins high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. From melting glaciers and mountain streams, it flows eastward across the continent, stretching over 6,400 kilometers. It is the second longest river in the world, only behind the Nile. But in terms of water volume, it is the largest, carrying more water than the next seven biggest rivers combined. Its basin covers nearly 7 million square kilometers, touching 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Imagine the Godavari or Ganga in India. Now multiply their scale many times. This is the Amazon. Biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is home to more than 400 billion trees, belonging to 16,000 species. It shelters jaguars, sloths, capybaras, and the mysterious pink river dolphin. Birds like macaws paint the skies with color. Insects, millions of species, many still undiscovered, buzz in every corner. Medicinal plants here have given humanity cures for disease. Scientists say 1 in 10 known species on Earth lives in the Amazon. It is truly the greatest treasure chest of biodiversity. Indigenous cultures. For thousands of years, indigenous tribes have lived in harmony with the forest. Groups like the Yanomami, Kayopo, and Asainka depend on the river and forest for food, medicine, and shelter. Their mice speak of spirits in the trees and animals as guardians. Just as tribal communities in India preserve traditions in forests of Odisha or Chhattisgarh, Amazon tribes protect their scarred land. Their knowledge of plants and ecosystem is unmatched, a living library of wisdom. Climate importance. The Amazon is called the lungs of the earth. Its trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, stabilizing the planet's climate. Rainfall generated here influences weather pattern across South America and even beyond. Without the Amazon, global warming would accelerate dramatically. It is not just South America's forest, it is humanity's shield. Threats. But this paradise is under threat. Deforestation for cattle ranching, soybean farming, and logging destroys millions of hectares each year. Mining pollutes rivers with mercury. Climate changes brings droughts and fires. Species vanish before we even discover them. The lungs of the earth are struggling to breathe. Conservation effects. Yet hope remains. Governments, NGOs, and indigenous leaders fight to protect the forest. Projects promote sustainable farming, co-tourism, and reforestation. International agreements aim to reduce deforestation. Every voice, every effort counts because saving the Amazon means saving ourselves. Fascinating stories. Explorers like Francisco de Orellana first navigated the Amazon in the 1500s. Legends spoke of warrior women giving the river its name Amazon. Scientists discovered electric eels, giant anacondas, and fish that can walk on land. Stories of lost cities, El Dorado, and hidden civilizations still capture imaginations. The Amazon is not just science, it is mystery, myth, and magic. As we end our journey, remember the Amazon rainforest and river are not just distant wonders. They are part of our shared planet, influencing our aim, our climate, and our future. Protecting them is not just charity, it is survival. Let us respect, learn, and act because the Amazon is life itself. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.